The suspects got the idea for this scam while they were working as so-called landmen. Their job? To secure the natural gas drilling rights for legitimate companies. But claiming they had drilling rights when in fact they didn't proved to be more lucrative, yielding them more than $2.4 million over a year and a half. Here's how it worked.
Most of the people that truly did own the mineral rights were unaware that they owned the mineral rights because it had been transferred to them, to their families generations ago.
So the suspects seized upon this information and decided to claim the rights for themselves.
They would create different company names, open bank accounts, open post office boxes in these company names.
Then they created fictitious documents.
At the back of the document on the signature page, they would just forge the true mineral rights owners' signatures, and then they would also create a fictitious notary stamp.
Then the documents were turned over to a deeds office. At this point, the bogus company could sell the drilling rights to big firms.
It was quite lucrative. These energy companies were signing people leases for oil and gas rights for approximately $3,500 an acre. So if 100 acres, you sign a lease agreement and that's $350,000.
Eventually, the scam failed. The suspects pleaded guilty and were sent to federal prison. Postal inspectors say there is a lesson for all consumers.
If you're purchasing a big tract of property in a rural area, ask a few questions about the mineral rights underneath, because it's not always included in the transfer of the surface rights.